Welcome back again. This is Mr. Cho's Garage Facilitation. Underneath here, this is a GM product we're working on tonight. This is a quick sums up of the Ring and Pinion. This here is a GM 12-bolt fine piece of equipment. This ain't no 4 9-inch. Like, oh, I got a 4 9-inch strong thing ever. No, not necessarily. Because, yeah, just because it's got 9 inches don't mean nothing. This here is 10 3/4 inches, so that means it's bigger. That's right, bigger ring, bigger pinion. Okay, anyway, get back into it. This here is a 12-bolt, 30 spline. This has got a positive track rear end in it, so as I spin the tires, both spin at the same time simultaneously. That is for full traction purposes. This ain't no Jimmy John junkyard locker. My Bubba's brothers, nephews, cousins, uncles, daddy let me borrow his flux core welding school. Put a bunch of all over my bearings and stuff. No, this is the real thing right here. But besides that, what I'm going to talk to you about here is how to figure out your differential gear ratio. So we were talking about that earlier. Gear ratio is key to getting your vehicle moving. If you want like a good gas mileage, you run like a 305, 307. They're junk. They're slow out the hole. You don't want that. And this is racing applications. This isn't exactly what you want to go with, but it works. This here's a 373. So that means it's 3.37 revolutions for every tire rotation. That's how many times the driveline spins. God dang. So, anyway, to find out what your gear ratio is, you can count each tooth individually. If you start and mark one somewhere, and then 1, 2, 3, you can do that. It takes a little while, but you can do it. And then you got to get up into there. That there is your pinion gear. You got to count those too. And those, yeah, it's kind of hard to see. So, same thing. But this here, GM, they were smart. They know what they're doing. They weren't giving you the guessing game. Right here, this says 1141. I don't know if you can read that because I can't see what I'm looking at because I got my camera here. But anyway, that says 1141. So that means the pinion gear has 11 teeth, and that's that guy up there, the small one. And then this big guy right here, this is the ring gear. It's got 41 teeth. So what you do is you take the number 41 and divide it by 11, and that gives you a gear ratio, which is 3.727599999, which ups into a 373. So this here is a quick rundown of finding out your gear ratio, your ring gear count of teeth into your divided of your pinion teeth. Anyway, that's the date. It's a 68 rear end. April of 68 is when it's manufactured. GM, that means great masterpiece. So anyway, I'm going to get back at it, and I'll just keep sending you feeds of the Mr. Cho's shop and how we get down.